Thanks for watching. Today we are going to remove the front wheel of a Suzuki V-Strom. So the first thing we're going to do is remove the ABS sensor, the traction control sensor, from the front right fork. So we probably don't have to remove this, but it's easier to just remove it, get it out of the way. That way we're not breaking it when we pull the wheel off. Next we're going to take the calipers off. So we're just going to break free these two bolts that hold the caliper on. And then once these bolts are off, we're going to just slide the caliper off of the disc and move it out of the way. Now jumping over to the left hand side, we just need to remove the two caliper bolts on this side and give the caliper a little bit of a twist to separate the brake pads, and then we'll slide this caliper off the disc and get it out of the way. Now it's time to get the bike up in the air. So I'm a big fan of the pit bull stands, so I'm going to put a pit bull stand underneath the front forks and lift up the front end. And then I'm going to take my wrench and I'm going to loosen the cinch bolts that hold that axle in place. And I'm going to take a 12mm Allen wrench and I'm going to break the axle free. So with the axle free, I just slide it out and I drop the wheel to the ground, remove my spacers, and you've just pulled off the wheel from your Strom, and it's ready to put a new front tire on it.